Dear students, in previous lecture we have learned the concept of permutation. In permutation, we have considered a non-white set and we define a 1-1 onto mapping or bijective mapping from the set A to itself. This 1-1 onto function is said to be permutation on that set. Then we define two row notations and today we will operate the two permutations. So first today, how can we find product of two permutation? We will understand this concept by an example. Let F be a permutation 1, 2, 3, 4 or images are 2, 4, 1, 3 and G is another permutation on a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. These are the two permutations on the set contains first four natural numbers. Now we find product of these two sets means f of g, composite of two function, equal to f of g. This can be found in this way. First we write f, then after we write g. Now we write G's first row elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we see image of then we see image of 1 is 2 and image of 2, image of 1 is equal to 2, then image of 2 is equal to 4, then we write 1, 4. Here again image of 2, 3, image of 3 is equal to 1. So image of 2 is equal to 1 here. So similarly we can find the images of the other. It is a tricky and direct method. But exactly how can we show? F of g of 1, image of fg of 1, g of 1 means 2, f of 2 means 4, that is 4. So image of 1 is equal to 4, it shows that first column. Similarly, image fg of 2, so f of g of 2, so g of 2 means 3. G of 2 means 3. Then f of 3 means 1. So image of 2 is equal to 1 and etc. By direct method, we can show that f and g. First of all, we mark a row 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Rearranging the elements of domain of F, it means 1, 2, 3, 4. H elements of range of G, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. We write this. Then write down their images. Now we can write directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, 2. So these are the techniques by which we can find the product of permutation. We can understand by another example. F and G are two permutations on the set of first six natural numbers. F defined this way and G defined this way. So 6, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rearranging the domain of F according the range of the codomain of the G. 6, 1, 4, 3. 6, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Then we write images according that. Then these are same. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. These, it is the exact method of the. Now again, another example. F 1, 2, 3, 4, images 2, 4, 1, 3 and G, this one. Then G composite F, it means GF. We write G, then F. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 can be written same. 2, 4, 1, 3, this will remain same. Then now you see the codomain of the F, 2, 4, 1, 3. Write down 2, 4, 1, 3. Image of 2 is 3. Image of 4 is 1. Image of 1 is 2. And image of 3 is equal to 4. Then these elements and these elements are same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. This is the exact method by which we can find product of the permutations. Now what do you mean by cyclic permutation? A permutation sigma of a set A is cyclic permutation or a cycle if there exists a finite subset A1 to AR of a such that sigma A1 of A2, image of A2 under sigma A3 and so on. Last element AR, image of this last element is equal to first element, and sigma x equal to x if x belong to A but not belong to subset. So this is denoted in a single row. So single row notation. Sigma means image of A1 is equal to A2, image of A2 is equal to A3, image of A3 equal to A4 and so on. Image of AR is equal to A1. So length of this permutation is R. Now we can solve by some examples. Let A be set of first 6 natural number and its subset is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6. Then sigma can be defined 2, 4, 5, 6. So image of 2, first of all we will write all 6 elements. Then image of 2 is equal to 4. Image of 4 is equal to 5. Image of 5 is equal to 6. And 1 and 3 are not contained. So their images will be same. So this is the exact notation in 2 rows. but its length is 4 because length of cycle is 4. How can you find inverse of a permutation? Let F be a permutation, then F inverse, you exchange या interchange of the rows and columns like this. This will be above and this will be below. Then arrange in the ascending order 1 image 2, 2 की image 4, 3 image of 3 is equal to 3, image of 4 is equal to 1, image of 5 is equal to 5. So this is the exact method by which we can find the inverse of the matrix. Thank you.